Does your attorney feel like your teammate or your enemy? I have gotten several comments lately here on TikTok, as well as messages from clients who are very frustrated because they don't feel like their attorney is on their side and is on their team, particularly in the attorney's efforts to get their case settled. Something that is really important for everybody to understand, if you don't already, is that when you have a divorce case, attorneys make money the more conflict that goes on in your case. Now, of course, conflict is inevitable in a divorce case, and so that will happen. But a lot of people have reached out saying they've never heard of mediation. Their attorney won't make settlement offers for them. They just don't have the information to try to talk to their spouse themselves to try to get the cases settled. And they feel like the attorney just really isn't listening to them, that they want to have a peaceful and quickly resolved divorce, or even if some negotiation is happening, that they just don't know anything about mediation or even arbitration to settle their matter. And so it is important to know that you have every right to shop for an attorney. If you aren't feeling it with your attorney, it should feel like a good partnership and that your attorney is looking out for your interests. If you don't have that feeling, you have every right to fire that attorney and hire somebody else. I always recommend to meet with 3 attorneys and to see who you like the best. Ask them some good questions about their approaches, and particularly ask them their attitudes towards settlement. How many of their cases do they settle and how many go to trial? Generally speaking, 95% of family law cases settle. So the number that they're giving you should be pretty high, unless they are just out there to drive up the bill.